We are at Caraccioli Cellars, which is my family's winery in downtown Carmo by the Sea. My family's been farmers for generations, and as time has went on, you kind of get to an age where you realize how special that is. The last generations, we've been predominantly harvesting row crop agriculture on the Salinas Valley floor, which progressed into also establishing a 124-acre vineyard on the foothills above the valley floor and kind of expanding that agriculture into viticulture. The climate that we have here, the soil that we have here, we have a big wind influence, which is really impactful for the preservation of acidity within the sparkling wine that comes out of the Monterey deep ocean, which kind of creates a maritime breeze. I think there's not that many places in the country that are as opulent in terms of agricultural production as our backyard. And you realize it as you get older and older, and the more you travel and places you go, how special this is.